Morning. KC with Keeping Clean Mobile Detailing.
Nah, we don't have any more actual Castro high mileage.
All right.
Only thing I got would be, all I got is 1030. How many mileage do you? How much mileage you have on there?
Yeah, man, I'm getting my oil changed. I like to get my oil changed before the time. You know, on my vehicles, man. I like they say, the last 3 months or whatever. I like to do it in 2, just to be safe. You know, I don't know much about cars. I try to keep up with it, especially this van. You know, that I travel everywhere. You know, all day, every day. I'm just, you know, because I'm mobile. So you got to take care of your vehicles, man. That's one thing, man. This your money maker, man. You want to take care of your money maker, man. If you don't take care of your money maker, man, you ain't going to be able to make money unless you got a shop, too. But, I mean, still, I pay for this truck, so I want it to be in the best condition. My next thing I'm going to do is get some more shocks, some better shocks, so it can lift up a little bit. I was thinking about that because I'm putting a lot of water when I fill my tank up. Not fill it up. I don't fill it up. I put it halfway sometime and under halfway. But you know, it's a lot of weight. So I'm gonna try to put some better shocks, something that's gonna keep it, you know, whether I put the water in it or not, you know, it's gonna stay where it needs to be. You know, I gotta find out about shocks because I don't know much about vehicles and things like that. But yeah. Sometimes let me finish already. Oh, you about to put it in. But yeah, man. And I want to get my YouTube channel across the front of the vehicle, so you know a lot of people can start subscribing, or I can get subscribers, or they can check me out. But yeah, man, I'm just getting the oil change. I got 2 appointments today. It's kind of cloudy. Why the focus be going off, man? It's kind of cloudy, and I just wanna relax. I ain't had my coffee yet, so y'all know how that go, man. I ain't woke yet, and I'm in front of the camera already. I show you, I'm trying to really do YouTube. But and I hope y'all out there having a good day. Rest in peace, Nipsey Hussle, man. Tech 9, Nipsey Hussle. Man, it don't pay to stay in your own neighborhood, bro. But you know, when you with that gang life and all that, and you try to do something different, bro, that's what happens. It's just like, you know, I look at it like you know, dude was like living his life. You know what I mean? What's gonna happen. That's the way he felt. You know, but he was helping out his community. You know what I mean? So for somebody to take him away from helping the community, you know what I mean? He was helping the community, computers and all kind of stuff, building buildings, labs, and stuff like that. And for somebody to take him away, that means you don't care about your child. You know what I mean? In other words, you don't care about your child. So, I don't know, man. Gang wasn't never me. I always, you know, we had a little clique, you know what I mean? But it wasn't no gang or none of that. But, it's like, come on, man. Why would you take somebody away like that, bro? That was helping the community. That brought life to your hood. Come on, man. You supposed to honor and respect that man, bro. But, you know, the flip side of that, he was in the game. And if you ain't doing what the game doing, you know, that's how it go. From what I understand. When you in a game and then somebody was saying like he was about to make a documentary about the game and all that, so you never know. The chief probably didn't want him to expose him like that, you know, under that radar, you know what I mean? A lot of people don't want to be put under that radar, man, and you can't put them under that radar. That's just what it is. But with that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead on and catch back up with y'all after I get my coffee. Peace. Yeah.
Oh, you gotta take pics so he can't say, hey.
Right.
I wanted to know, because he did fuck up that air dam. We're gonna look into getting another one. I think it's just bent. The metal piece just needs to be straightened out properly.
All right, we got a GMC new client. It's kind of drizzling, y'all, but we're gonna still go ahead on and wash it up. And right here, as y'all can see, we might get these out, but that and that, and nothing can happen with that. That's why I want to look into getting more storage, guys. So on days like this, I can, you know, be in the storage. I'm not really ready for a shop as of now, but I would like a shop in the future. But it's a GMC Sierra. Nice little vehicle. It's not that dirty. Some mustard stains. Guys was riding with him drunk, he said, and had a little mustard accident. We're gonna go ahead on and clean that up. Oh, as y'all see, it's not that bad. But for a rainy day, a rainy week, for him still to get it detailed, you know, you gotta appreciate a customer like that. But I'll keep you guys tuned in, and thank y'all for watching. I hope if you're not subscribed, go ahead on subscribe to the channel. We're growing. Hopefully this year we be at 1,000 subscribers. I'm saying 1,000, but I'm looking forward for 500. So y'all go ahead on and help me out and subscribe and help me get to them numbers. Help me get my numbers up, y'all. As y'all see, my van is not clean because the rain, but keep it clean over detailing. I'm gonna make a video on my van, man, what I like and what I dislike about it. What the heck is that? I don't know. But yeah, man, keep me clean over detailing, man. As y'all see. But let's tune in on this. What's going on, you guys? Today, man, I'm just doing a GMC Silverado, as y'all see. But I wanted to introduce y'all into this product, man. It's by Chemical Guys. Hypercoat Protective Dressing. UV blockers, shine enhance. For plastic, rubber, and vinyl. We're gonna see how it work out today. I never used it, but I just wanted to show y'all. I am gonna be using it because they got a lot of plastic in this truck, so I'm gonna be using it in this truck, man. And I just wanted y'all to know that they do have another product, man. High gloss protection. Extreme shine dressing restores bold new look. Vinyl, rubber, and plastic restored. So as y'all can see, man, that door is haven't been dressed, but I cleaned it. So let me go ahead on. I'm gonna flip the camera around and open this up, and I'll get back with you. All right, y'all. This one open kind of wider. They don't have nothing behind it, so I'm gonna do the back door. Like I said, I cleaned the whole inside down with Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner. So I'm gonna go ahead on and skeet a little bit of this Hypercoat Protective Dressing on my applicator. I'm doing this with one hand, man. I don't have my, I'm gonna shake it up. I don't have my tripod. It's kind of, let's go ahead on and apply it. Oh, real smooth. Smells good. Yeah, it smells real good. I'm smelling it dressing like that. Yeah, it smells real good, y'all. But I like how it's laying. It's laying down on there real nice. And I didn't do nothing but 2 squirts. It goes a long way. Seems like a little bit goes a long way, y'all. Yes, sir. I like it. Got a little too much shine to it if you put too much, but it looks real nice. I'm sorry, it's kind of dark, man. Let me go ahead on and apply it, and I'll get back with y'all and show y'all the results, man. All right, y'all. As y'all see, that looks neat. man.